Here's a 2017 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, first and second row power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.